Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This is a short tutorial on how to make some money with a GPTX project. Okay, GPTX, it's an excellent project. Find out all about it in the website. It's www.hedge4.ai. But have a look. We are on Pinksale, so go in there and get all the information, and then join us on Telegram. But right now, it's about the affiliate link. How do you make some easy free money if you are an influencer? All right. So again, your affiliate link will pay you 8% commission. So use it, um, promote it, and if people are using it to buy GPTX token starting in few days, you're collecting 8%. We already paid this to Pinksale. So Pinksale, the launchpad company, will pay you after um, after we finish the sale. The second day after we finish this pre-sale, the fair launch, you get paid. It's an easy contract. It's a smart contract. Nobody's cheating you. It's not a scam. Pinksale will pay you. Okay, so get your affiliate link. It is free. You're making 8% on an excellent project. So let's start on this thingy. How is it done? Okay, let me maximize this and we go in here. First, if you have Metamask or Trust Wallet, open it. Okay, open it. So go in here, make sure you get your thingy, because it's important, because the affiliate link, um, it has this wallet address extension. Have a look a little bit. Okay, so open your MetaMask, then go to Pinksale. Okay, go to Launchpads, go to, so again, Launchpads, go to Launchpad list. Okay, it will open here. Then you click in here. Remember these 4 digits: GPTT. Okay, GPT token, that's the name of the project. So it's GPTT and it will open up. Okay, and it's upcoming, and you see view pool. Click on it, it will show you the pool. Okay, then have a look. I have this button, connect. I have to connect to my wallet. Don't be afraid, just click it. Okay, MetaMask. So it should connect it. It's thinking. Come on. Few more seconds. Stay with me. Or let's do it the other way. We refresh this. And you see, it sees it. This is my wallet, OX3BFC. And I know the end it's BDCC. So the wallet, it's connected to my fair launch. Okay? And have a look. I see here a button, see affiliate details. Do you see these? See affiliate details. It will take me here. I click on it and shows me this affiliate link. This link, it's long string of characters, but at the end it is a it is the my wallet address. Have a look. I copy it. Okay, I go in here and I paste it, and I'll show you. Paste. At the end, it shows a referral ID. So it's a referral ID, and it's attached this wallet. So it starts with Pinksale.finance.launchpad, blah blah blah. This is the contract, but this is the wallet, OX3BFC BDCC. Okay, it looks like this. So grab it, take it, and promote it to your community. Okay, this is the website. Come in here, have a look at everything. If you have any questions, dial our number here or join our Telegram. Have a look. You have here telephone numbers, you have here LinkedIn, you have here Twitter, but Telegram, we're mostly active here. Okay, so what I'm saying, it's an excellent project. And have a look, I'm going in here to staysafu.org just to show you a special thing. I'm scanning these and I'm waiting. I'm coming on the website. I grab the token address, token contract address. It's here, this red string. I copy it, copy, and have a look. I'm coming in here in Stay Safe. It's staysafu. It's called app.staysafu.org. I come in here just to see how correct and how fair is my project. And have a look. It's scanning all the things, and our score, it's 99.9. So we're really proud of these. That's why feel safe to join us, feel safe to invest in our project. Okay, again, come here, t.me/hedge4, or click it from any other parts and join us. Okay, it's in here. We have 2,367 members, and open the Telegram, and voila, you are here. So again, grab your referral link, promote it. You're making 8%. Let me repeat, have a look. It's not a joke. It's in here that we are giving you on this project. Look, we have these 3 badges. The contract is audited. We are already docs and KYC'd, like we had the interviews of these. And what I want you to see is that it's 8% commission, okay, when you use your referral link, okay? So remember, it's in here, affiliate 8%. You see these? Affiliate 8%. So again, click this button, get your link, promote it. Thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.